Hey friends, welcome back to Mrs. Kitchen's class. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Microsoft Teams. So this is specifically for students who go to Wichita Public Schools. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to log into the portal. I've been given permission by a friend's parents to go ahead and log in as them. The information that's sensitive has been blurred out, so you won't be able to get it. But this is for students who go through and log into Rapid Identity, and you can see all the different apps, and Microsoft Teams is the very last one. Okay, now if you click the little heart, it'll make it one of your favorites, so it will pop up no matter what, whether it's on your favorites or on all the apps. But you don't have to do that, so you choose if you think that that would help you or not. So once you get going, you're going to want to, of course, start by going to portalusd259.net, log in with your credentials, and then you're going to click the Microsoft Teams app. And it's going to take you to another screen. And you're going to have to log in again. So you're going to have to sign in with your number that starts with a 7. And then you're going to do @ which is the shift sign, and then 2 @ usd259.net. And then you'll click next. And then it'll ask for your password, and you'll put in your 4-digit password. That's the same as logging onto your portal. Then it'll ask you if you want to stay signed in. If you click the do not show this again, it won't show it again. If you say yes, then that means that you will never have to sign in again. This will be the only time that you have to do the @ usd259. So make sure that if you don't want to see this sign again, you click the don't show this sign again. And then in order for you to not have to sign in, you'll click yes. And then this will take you into Microsoft Teams. It does take a little bit of time sometimes to get in there, so just be patient with it and give it some time. And the Teams logo has popped up, so that means it's almost there. And now you're on your home page, and you can see that you've already been added to Mrs. Kitchen's Second Grade Stars 2019 to 2020. So if you click that, it is going to take you into our classroom. And as you can see, I've added a little welcome there for you. You can click reply, and you can add a comment right there and then hit enter to send it, and everybody will get to see it. You can also go up into the corner and you can choose a like, a heart, a laugh, a surprise, a sad, and angry. Hopefully we don't have any sad or angries, but that's where you can kind of respond to that. And then if you scroll down, it'll show new things too. And you can see that I've added Miss Wagner and Miss McKinney to our group. I've also added Miss K. So then what we're going to look at is some other parts of Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. So if you look over here, you can make calls in Microsoft Teams. You can call me using Microsoft Teams. So that means you can do a phone call through Microsoft Teams, and it will reach me wherever I'm at as long as I have the Teams app on my device, which I do. Okay. This is what we're going to use from now on instead of Zoom for our class celebration meetings. We're going to do calls. So let's take a look at what happens when you click into calls. So the first step is to click the call button, and then it'll take you to this screen. So you can create a group where you have a group of people that you can call all at once. This is probably how I'll set up our new classroom celebration meetings. Or you can go down to the bottom where it says make a call, and you can click that, and it'll bring up a little box that says type a name. So if you start typing in kitchen, it will pull me up, and then you can click the little phone button, or you can click the little video call button. So you can either do a regular call, or you can click the video call, and you'll be able to see me as you're talking to me, okay? Now let's go back to the regular Teams. So this is our home page, and I might add files up from the top, but I'm never going to do assignments or grades because we're doing that through Google Classroom. So files, I might add some things into it, but the main place that you're going to want to be is just at our posts place and in calls, okay? So that is a little bit more about Microsoft Teams. Hopefully this has helped you. Make sure that if you need help that you rewatch this video, because it will be available for you to rewatch as many times as you need to. So make sure also to stay tuned for more videos, because I will be back soon, and I will see you later in class. Have a great day, friends. Bye.